Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It. Today we're gonna do a quick video and show you how to fix this mirror. See, it swivels, but it doesn't stay in place. So I'm gonna try to fix that. All right guys, so these things are supposed to have a set screws here someplace to hold it in place. I don't see it, but what I'm gonna do is lift this up and unhinge it from here, okay? All right guys, so I'm gonna lift it up from here or here. This side is like tight, so I don't know what's holding it, but I'm just gonna pull it out from here. All right guys, so we took out that part from here, and this part, we took it out of this part here. This just hooks on there like that. See the back? It just hooks on there. See this little bushing here? It's missing out of here. Okay, so I'm gonna try to just throw some tape on it to try to make it tighter in here, so you're able to, when you swivel it, we can hold, have enough tension to hold in place. Right now it's just really loose, okay? All right guys, keep putting tension until when you put this on, you have some kind of tension on it, so see, if you push it in, it'll stay in place. So you may want to put a little bit of tape on here too if you want. All right guys, I just threw a little bit of tape on there. So now this piece is gonna go on here. And once you put this on here, you're gonna put this in first, and then this side is you're gonna hang this on this, okay? All right guys, put this side in first. And then you're gonna hang it from here. All right guys, now the mirror has enough tension to put it wherever you want, okay? So if you want to leave it out here like that, you could, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.